Hello guys, what is going on? This is Arjun and today I have this Samsung 860 EVO SSD. This is a 250GB SSD and it is a newer version of previous 850 EVO SSD. On the front side we get the image of the SSD with Samsung logo and the model name. On the left side it says V-NAND SSD 860 EVO. It is the latest technology in the flash memory world. In this technology NAND planners are stacked vertically, that's why it is called vertical negative AND. Here we get a seal on the box with some info written on it. On the back side we get these barcodes. This SSD comes with 5-year limited warranty. In this white rectangular box you can see the model code. If you are buying this SSD in India, make sure to check the BW at the end of the model code, otherwise you will not get warranty in India. MRP of this SSD is 8,750 rupees and I get it for 7,000 rupees from Amazon. Here on the top side we get the second seal with capacity written on it. Let's see what's inside the box. First we have the user guide, which is designed like the SSD, and after that we get the SSD. It is very small and lightweight. The quality of the SSD feels very premium and you can see it is very thin. We get the total 4 screw holes on either side of it. Here we have the power and the SATA connector on the left side. On the back side we get the name and the storage capacity of the SSD and some other information. This SSD has sequential read speed of up to 550 MB per second and write speed of up to 520 MB per second. This newer model of SSD has 8 times higher terabyte return. You get 150 terabyte return for 250GB model and 300 terabyte return for 500GB model. And the 5-year warranty is also depends on TBW, whichever comes first. I also provided a link in the description where you can find more about this SSD. So that's all we get inside this box. If you like this video, give thumbs up, and want to see the installation and full review of this SSD, then subscribe my channel. Also click on the bell icon so that you will get notifications for new videos. And if you want to know if this SSD really makes the difference, then stay tuned. Thanks for watching.